Oh, you have been waiting months and months to see the results from the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Gel. The name says it all. It's no more baggage, visibly reducing the appearance of under eye bags, puffiness, dark circles. It is tightening, it is brightening, it is smoothing the area under the eyes. Customer choice studies, 100% had improvement of dark circles. 97% saw improvement in the bags and puffiness in just moments. What we're doing today is we are launching a brand new duo. Buy one, get one. The original price is $48 for each. $48 is the price that you'll find at Ulta and Sephora and all the other high-end department stores. It is a major, huge, premium, global beauty brand. And now today, you're getting two for less than the price of one. It's the launch of our weekly deal drop. I would drop this in your cart and check out in a hurry. 901464 is your item number. I'm here with Stefan Kalu. Am I getting your name right? I always have to double check.
I love when you're saying that.
I'm trying my best. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Welcome back.
And thank you.
We're so thrilled to have you. You are the CEO. You are the owner of Dr. Brandt. And this is really a brand with a legendary following and decades of industry-leading technology.
Yeah, it's been 25 years. 25 years we have been working to provide a solution to our customers. So our philosophy is very simple. Take the doctor home with you. And tonight, you get this ability to do that thanks to the No More Baggage. It's an amazing offer. It's very unique. Like she told you, $48 each one. For $39, you get two. So you can please yourself or even your friends and family lovers. What is it about? Targeting, like you said, puffiness, under eye bag, or dark circles. And I think no matter age, skin type, lifestyle, there are so many reasons why we could suffer about all this kind of darker and puffiness. Could be aging. It could be also, we already have Colleen who is trying to use the products. So while we have Colleen is going to try the products, but first, no matter the age, you have so many reasons that can explain why you have dark circles. And that's very important for you to understand that it could be a lack of sleep, eating too spicy, having a good night or doing too much, and sometimes aging also process. But you need to have an instant gratification, and this is what this product is going to do. It's going to give you an instant, brighter, rested look and feel around your eyes. So the way you apply, you have to be very careful because
this is going to show you that it does have a slightly pink shade to it.
Exactly, but the pink shade is beautiful because why is going to minimize any dark circles. But what people need to understand, and sometimes there's a controversy because these people receive so many awards, it's been viral, people sometimes think, oh, it's great, it's the magical, it's the high products, but you need to apply your eye moisturizer first, and that's very important. So you apply your eye moisturizer, whatever you're using today, or you can use one of us, and then when it's completely dry, this is why you can use the magic recipe, which No More Baggage, like you said, the name said everything. But the way you're using also is very specific. That's why I want to take a few minutes. You take a small peach here, and like you said, this peach is going to minimize the dark circles, and then you're going to warm up around your fingers. And that's very, very important because you're going to activate the formulation. And then I don't want you to rub. When it's completely dry with your eye moisturizer, I want you to tap. And when you tap, this is where we're going to absorb. And what you're going to see, and I think Chris, as you can see, is applying the products, you're going to feel a cooling, tightening sensations. And it's going to minimize the sign of aging and minimize puffiness and dark circles. And the magic recipe here is very easy. We try to take always the best of cosmeceutical with botanical in a very strong delivery system. So what is it about these products you're going to tell me? Caffeine. Caffeine is very good against inflammation and puffiness. But also...
Look at his eye.
Yeah, look.
So he's applied it to just one side, right?
Yeah, it's just one side. As you can see, it's really look like magical and it's beauty. And what I wanted Chris to come because I wanted to share it's unisex. Everyone can suffer about puffiness and dark circles. And when you see Chris today, look at it. He's got a solution. And everyone has a different reason to suffer about under eye bag and puffiness. And he applied the products. It's been a couple of minutes, and look what you can see. And that's the beauty of it. This is why we have Chris today, but also we have Colleen. And Colleen, it's a woman, and I wanted you to make sure you, HSN, you can experience and see in live what can be do for a man and a woman. Our clinical results speak for itself.
These are numbers.
That's our
Instant
number.
results, 97% saw instant results in 5 minutes.
Exactly.
Long-term results, everyone saw them after 2 weeks, 100% after 4 hours, and 100% saw results after 4 weeks. That is a reduction in the appearance of under-eye bags and puffiness. This is a serious skincare product that you can see has measurable results, instant results in dark circles.
Yeah, and all our products are dermatology tested. It's also ophthalmology tested because of the high products. But I want to insist, you need to apply your eye moisturizer on first. And then when it's completely applied and dry, you apply on top a tiny amount, like I explained. You warm up with your fingers, and you're going to tap around your eyes. And you're feeling this cooling, tightening sensation. And what happened, I just want to see.
That's all you need.
It's like a second invisible skin film that put under your eyes. And what you see, Chris, if we can get back to Chris, this is what happened. And this is what he can experience, a magical before and after. And look at it. We can see Chris, and you can see really the difference. If for people who is worried about formula, you need to know there is paraben-free, sulfate-free, GMO-free, Cruelty-free. That's very important. We're a doctor skincare line. We're daring. We're caring about our customer and our patients. And this product has been our best sellers all over the world. And today, it's a fantastic offer, $39.
No one else is doing this
No
price.
one else is doing it.
No one else has this value. If you have tried to target dark circles, puffiness, and you have tried everything and you didn't see a result, I want you to try this because look at the results, 97 to 100%.
Yeah.
That's nearly everybody had an instant result, and then everybody had long-term results. Every day, this is $48 at Ulta and Sephora, the other high-end department stores. Now you're getting 2 for less than the price of 1. And because a little bit goes a long way, Stefan, I would imagine this is going to last you a very long time.
Yeah, and what I suggest, obviously, use a small amount. You see the small amount I use, it's very small, so it's going to last for 3 and 4 months easily. And of course, you use in the morning.
Look how little you need.
But what I will advise you, if you need to get out and you need to refresh yourself, you take a shower and you need to get out, that's the perfect way to follow the same skincare regimen you did. But this amount, that's completely enough. Okay. And that's why you can apply. And then if we can get back to Colleen, because we saw Chris a lot, which is, I would like to see Colleen, and let's see how
Let's
Colleen...
go over there.
Let's go over there. So we can see Colleen, and look at it, her eyes and the differences between one eye to another one, which I think it's lovely to watch and to see and to experience, because we can see a woman, different skin type, than a guy like Chris. And it works, and that's the beauty of these products. We're talking about all skin tone, all skin type, because like I said, puffiness, under eye bag, dark circles, it happened to everyone for different reasons.
That's right.
And today,
you've probably woken up and you saw the puffiness, you saw the dark circles, especially after the holidays.
After holiday,
right? We all, had a little bit, maybe more than we anticipated. But this is something that's sometimes really hard to cover. Makeup doesn't cover puffiness,
but
right?
That's exactly, and you said very well, it's an extension, and this is what we provide. We provide a solution of people who doesn't want to go through a dermatological procedures or to use a ton of concealer. So it's a great way to optimize and to give you a provide solution that give you an instant gratification. And again, I want to insist one more time, you use your eye moisturizer first, you're waiting that it's completely dry, and then you can apply on top of it the normal baggage.
But you can't see it. It's not a makeup.
No,
so
it's not a makeup.
You don't have to match your skin tone.
No.
You don't have to worry, is this going to be like, doesn't leave like, sometimes the previous creams that were out there, sometimes they left like a layer or a white film, or you felt like you couldn't smile or it would crack. This does not leave a layer on your skin.
That's why
invisible shield.
It's invisible shield, and you put a small amount. But what is very important is the complexity of the formulation. That's why we get there. It's caffeine mixed with peptide and film matrix technology. And the film matrix technology allow you to have a second invisible skin film that tighten and smooth under the eye area. So it minimizes the wrinkly sign of aging, and at the same time, you're going to depuff and give you a nice, brighter, open, rested look around your eyes. And that's the magic.
Depuff sounds better with a French accent.
You like the depuff?
Yes,
so it's
it
depuff.
sounds much better in France. Okay, so let's talk about how easy this is to use. Again, you're getting 2 now, 2 for less than the price of 1. We're getting very, very busy. As you see right now, this is something that only comes around, like, I think we do this like twice a year at the most.
Twice a year at the most,
It's been 6 months since we've had him on What a Girl Wants. It was very popular the first time he was here, and they go quickly. Anyone and everyone who has shopped Dr. Brandt, has tried Dr. Brandt, know you have a really incredible amount of ingredients, and it's also developed by skincare experts. It's developed by a doctor.
By dermatologists. We're working also in the University of Miami in the dermatologist departments. So we try to combine the best of science. We have been doing that for 25 years, and the mission
This is
is take the
amazing,
tone.
and this is live. I'm standing right next to our model right here in the studio.
It's Colleen, and Colleen has been working with us, and she loves it. She's been using perfectly. We can see an amazing before and after. Look at it on the screen, 97%.
Under eye puffiness is one of the most frustrating, challenging skin conditions that anyone can have because it doesn't matter sometimes how much makeup you have because it's three-dimensional. You have to put on something that's smoothing and tightening and firming, right? It's not just about moisturizing.
No.
You got to tighten it up.
And tighten up. But first, eye moisturizer, and then on top you do the normal baggage. And this is what is going to help you to provide this amazing result that we can see and experience today with Chris, but also with Colleen. But this is a product that completes, again, any struggles with puffiness, dark circles, and also under eye bag. You got the solution, you can take the doctor home with you, and this is what No More Baggage is about. And I think today, $39 for two, I want you to experience, and I want you also to give or to share with your lover, your friends, and your family, because no matter age or skin type, everyone suffers about under eye bag and puffiness and dark circles.
I want to share the clinicals, because I know a lot of you, to be fair, I would be skeptical too if I was watching from home and saying, I'm not sure. But these are actually clinical studies. So these are measured results. These are the participants that had a reduction in the appearance of under eye bags and puffiness. Instant results after 5 minutes. Have you tried anything that did that kind of difference on your under eye bags and puffiness in 5 minutes? How many of you said, 100% after 2 weeks? Problem solution solved. 100% after 4 hours. This is an improvement in the appearance of dark circles. 100% after 2 minutes. Do you know how hard it is to get everybody to agree on like what appetizer to order for the table at dinner, right? You can't even get everyone to agree, but everyone agreed. I had instant results in 2 minutes. So if you have not tried Dr. Brandt, find out why this has become one of the leading prestige beauty brands. And this is your #1 hero product, right?
It's our #1 hero product. It's become viral on social media, but also what I want, because it's so excited, it's not a high product. It's something you apply on top of the eye products, and that's why you get the magic recipe. And in small, tiny amounts, only that you warm up with your fingers, and you're going to pat around your eyes. And this is where you're feeling all the cooling and tightening, and then you can compare the before and after between both eyes. And this is what we wanted to do. This is what we wanted to do tonight, and that's why we brought these models, so we can experience that, different skin type, different age, but also a man and a woman. That's the beauty of this, is truly unisex. It's a solution for everyone. You truly take the doctor home. This is what we have been working so hard for 25 years, and we're still there, because that's the mission. That's our promise to our customers and our patients.
I want you to do your own before and after, because I want this to work for you as well as it does here in our studio and as well as our clinical studies have shown. That's why we're doing a 2 for less than the price of 1. It can be for you.
Not even the price for 1, it's even less. It's $48 for 1 and it's $39 for get 2.
For 2,
so that's your
2
chance.
for less than the price of 1. It's better than a buy one, get one. It can be his and hers. That way you put one tube on your side of the sink and then the other tube on the other side. Nobody's sharing. You definitely want to keep one for yourself, and you could gift this to a loved one. It's our Valentine's Day edition of What a Girl Wants, and maybe you are dating for the first time this year, or maybe you are starting a new job, or maybe you're going back to school, or maybe you're just looking in the mirror right now and saying, you know, this is a really simple solution. This is a very small investment, but a big payoff.
A big
right?
payoff,
You really will see results.
And this is our philosophy also. We don't do too much expensive price, because we don't see the reflect. Otherwise, you can go in the office and get the treatments. So we believe this is what it is an extension and a solution alternative for the people who cannot do or doesn't want to. You have the solution. So you're not on your own. We are here, and this is what Dr. Brandt does. We're daring, we're caring, and we provide this instant gratification. And today, No More Baggage is a no-brainer. $39 too. You can use it for yourself, and I advise to give it to someone else.
No more bags, no more lines and wrinkles. You're smoothing, you're tightening, you're toning that whole area underneath your eye. And the more you use it, the more incredible the results are. It's such a thrill to have the CEO of the company presenting this product to you, and to have you here is just really an honor.
But thank you. I'm passionate about it. So every time the team, I've been driving 4 hours, but I'm so glad that I made it.
I
wanted to be there with you and to be with you in your show. Thank you for the invitation.
We're so thankful, and I will tell you what, it was worth the drive, but we are very, very busy. We have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of you ordering. When we launch a weekly deal drop, you have to order at the launch. If you want it, if you want to secure it, drop it in your cart. Check out now. Better than a buy one, get one. So thank you, Stefan, and our incredible models who can now do their other eye.
Yeah, they can do their other eye. That's why they asked me.
You can even it all out now. That's what a girl wants. That's what a guy wants, too.